To transfer eSIM from previous device to Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter network and internet, and then we can go to SIM and mobile network. Click on this plus button to download new eSIM, and here wait a few moments until your network is checked up. You also need to connect to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then there's the option to transfer a SIM from another device. Click on it and then transfer a SIM from another device. Carriers in your region don't support SIM transfers yet. If you have SIM from different region, you can try transferring it to this device. To transfer SIM from another device, keep it nearby and unlocked. So you can click on Android device, and if your region is supported, you can scan the QR code device code to pair the other device. So just open QR code scanner on your other device and then scan it. That way you'll be able to go throughout the entire setup of transferring your eSIM. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.